And so, a little bit at a time, you just come in here, and if you want to, it's hard to paint with your colored pencils once you get it wet. It doesn't stick, so you can go to your other palette that I have laid out with colors, and you can change some of the darks to go darker. So get in all your darks first because you don't want to chicken out. And the darks are what makes the beautiful iridescent lights. So if you think in the way of terms that composition comes with the dark patterns, and you want to do that first. So you want to think about where you want the viewer's eye to go. And they're going to go first and foremost to the darkest darks. And you kind of have to think about it in what is the most important part of the page, and what am I trying to show in which is going to be more out of focus and which is going to be more in focus. And I think for this one, of course, it's going to be the contrast between this rose on the left and the lily in the middle. And because I put the lily in the middle means that I'm not going to focus completely on it as much as this red rose here. So my focal point will be right in here. And then the colors will go lighter in the atmospheric perspective in the back. And of course the white vase is going to be popping because the colors in the background are dark. You see, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. So when you squint it down, of course the whites are going to predominate as far as taking over. So I'm going to maybe blue them down and look for those blue colors in the shadows, and maybe tone down the whites a little with yellow. And the same for the vase. I'm going to maybe focus less on the white and more on the creaminess that I see in with my natural eye. The white light that I have shining down on it makes it too bright. So squinting it down a little bit to make those more of a vanilla color.